The alarm clock rings in a room that's too cold. Another gray morning, another story untold. I put on my coat, step out into the rain, in a city of millions where they don't know my name. The sky is a color I don't recognize, missing the sun that used to burn in my eyes. I'm chasing the paper, I'm working for three, but the man in the mirror is a stranger to me. I send every cent back across the deep blue, to the land where I'm from, to the people I knew. But my pockets are full while my spirit is thin. I'm losing the world just to help out my kin. From the first shift at dawn to the late night train, I'm a ghost in the system, a part of the grave. I dream of the schoolyard, the dust and the heat, the sound of my friends running down on our street. Now the culture is quiet, the faces are stern. I'm living a life for which I didn't yearn. They say it's the dream, they say it's the way, but the price of the future is losing today. I miss the old laughter, the tea and the shade, before all these debts and these choices were made. My body is tired, my heart is a stone. I'm surrounded by people, but I'm always alone. 2 jobs, 3 jobs, the cycle repeats. Walking on frozen and foreign-made streets. One day I'll go back, one day I'll be free. Back to the person I used to be.